In this video, you're going to learn how to do this. But first of all, you need to understand how this is being done. I'm currently using 3 programs to do this tech. 1. Macro Gamer. 2. Auto Hotkey. And 3. Lag Switch. Warning: lag switching is not allowed and it is bannable. If you are saying that you won't use lag switch, there's no way for you to do this tech truly. Macro Gamer activates and deactivates the lag switch when it's needed, side dashes and forward dashes. Auto Hotkey does 2 M1s and uses the emote. And lag switch is the main part where it adds the delay on your emote. So at first I was just using Macro Gamer and lag switch to do this. But to make it even easier and connect everything into just one button press, I wrote a little Auto Hotkey script, but this may not be necessary for you. Second, why do you need to use lag switch to do this tech? This tech needs to be done super quickly, and the easiest way to achieve that is removing the cooldown between your side dash and forward dash. Before this tech was patched, you could easily do it by canceling emotes, but now it doesn't work anymore. The main goal here is to bring this system back. Before side dashing, you will activate lag switch, which will add a delay on your emote when you use it. Then, when your side dash finishes, you will immediately close lag switch, which will use the delayed emote, and you're going to easily forward dash really quick. But don't worry, all of this may sound really complicated, but they will already be set on macros. But why am I trying to explain instead of just giving the programs? That's because of the ping difference among all of us. These 2 are the ones that are going to be universal, which you won't have to change or edit anything. But Auto Hotkey is going to be different for everyone. If you want to do everything on one button press instead of trying to time some key presses, you should listen this part. Without it, this macro will just activate and deactivate the lag switch on its time and side dash. The macro is also written to forward dash automatically when the time comes. But because of the side dash end lag, you are not going to be able to do that. And this is the part where using emotes come in. If you think you will do the M1s and use emotes every time consistently, which is incredibly hard, you won't have to use Auto Hotkey. But first, download Macro Gamer and the Macro Gamer profile from the first link in the description. Then download Clumsy, which is the lag switching program. Import the macro on your Macro Gamer and bind it on X. You can bind it to something else, but you will also have to edit the Auto Hotkey script if you do that. Then run Clumsy as an administrator. Then copy what I did here. Put any number here above 400. Then run Clumsy Hotkey and bind it on C. If you want to use a different key bind, then you have to change the C's in the macro to that key. And this isn't what I was talking about when I was explaining Auto Hotkey. This one is just the toggle for Clumsy program. Finally, download Auto Hotkey and the Auto Hotkey script that I've given. Run the script. The script is automatically binded on R. Now if you set and run all 3 programs, all you need to do is 1 M1 and press R. You will have to deal with the editing part on the Auto Hotkey script, which you can do by right-clicking it. And as you can see, it's written as a real basic code. This is the mouse locations, which is where one of the emotes are. If the script is clicking somewhere else, download the last link in the description, which will help you to find one of your emotes' location. To exit the script, right-click it from here and click Exit. Also, as you can see, this script does the 3rd M1 after using the emote, which may be the problem for you if you have lower ping. For me, it's being too slow and not being true when I try to do it. And I don't think I can explain any other common issue. You can observe your problem yourself, and you can get help from ChatGPT for the Auto Hotkey coding part, which is what I did before discovering this. I gave all the hints to do this. You can even write a macro yourself after understanding how it works. You can also try using 2 programs only if you can. But I've tried many methods on doing that, and it's really complicated, so doing it this way is just easier, I think. But if these aren't your problem and if something weird happens when you try to do it, you can explain your issues on the comment section and I will try to help you if you can't do it. I hope you could understand my main point and take the hints on doing this gate-kept tech. And if people are saying to you that there are other ways to do it other than cheating or lag switching, this is just the biggest lie I believed for months. Some people are also saying that using F flags will also make you do it. I'm not really sure about this, but it is 90% a lie too. An F flag just helping you specifically remove your dash end lags is not really believable. I know that F flags are really overpowered and can do absolute insane things, but they are universal. An F flag could not just exist specifically designed to M1 reset in the game called the strongest Battlegrounds. These dash and end lag features are only for this game. I hope I could explain what I tried to.